a very, very quick one. On a social media on a radio about reports Subiaga against Imo Housing Corporation. About reports Subiaga against Imo Housing Corporations in our office, in our human rights office. We have a lot of reports. Biagano, Otu Imo Housing Corporation. She allocate that particular corporation mere. HNJ GM, another GM Ubia. Ye may reallocate an already allocated plot of land. And I onye no that GM number oge ya agala na ugbu a oge nkegi therefore ni ga-eme here again man. A land that has been allocated for years. Give Batasia as GM, they may reallocate plots of land, they may reallocate. And don't go for you use some of your staff. You use some of your staff. The current GM of Imo Housing Corporation. There are allegations against you. There are allegations against you. But this man who head of service, controversial head of service. This man, head Imo Corporation now. Mboka head of service. Controversial. Mboka chochara on a government. Mboka chochara on a government. Mboka chochara this government anytime. Let only spend more than how many years as head of service. Ejishike wepo ya wepo. Ke wepo ya. Ochoku Jesu ike. Ya na me in a government house. I'm here in a government house. A house of Imo Corporation, housing corporation nye. Ya obalanga na controversy so kwelie. Controversy burile for head of service. Esoro kwelie there Imo Housing Corporation. Because some of the staff refuse to backdate. Some of them refuse to play by HR. You now arrested them. One Mrs. Joy Dike. One Mrs. Joy Dike. You arrested that woman. Even one Mr. Dike of the staff of Imo Corporation. Non guy before Gabia. Non guy before Gabia. That is the problem we have with this. Then here we're civil servant too. This man who retired civil servant, this head of service before controversial head of service for retired civil servant. Now we go to Imo Corporation. Here we controversy. Imo Corporation. The same agwana ba mbo head of service. Come back na Imo Corporation here. Because the staff are to play by your game. Then a widow for that matter. A widow for that. We have a lot of petitions I have here. A lot of petitions I have here. Now they have dragged this man to National Human Rights Commission. And that's not a lawyer. Some people just go on law to be intimidating people. Some people just go on law. Not that they will practice it too, but they just go and read law. Now as a barrister to be intimidating people. A case of this man I ain't a now. A case of this man I ain't a he was head of Imo Housing Corporation. You cannot respect the rules of Ebea Bogragon. Each and how civil servant head of service. Each and how head of service. That refuse to play by whatever you by the books, e.g. Idrebia. You arrested that woman, a widow. Tige in a cell. Arrested the other man. Tige in a cell. You know? Under few months, head of corporation, Imo Housing Corporation. Under few months, there was also this case of Ndu Bomini that came to that man no Ibo. Alonso Rokabe have how many years? And I consider it reallocate earlier. I just say gaha honyo ozo na ala. Ha ga na office gi. This year we take original, here we take original, get our police. Na how forgers. Na how forgery this, how forgery that. They came to my office and we are pursuing that case. The same this man Anna here. Here's how this man. Eh? They will Nishi Imo Housing Corporation. They make people intimidate. Area allocate land in them mad. In fact, I won't in a video now. I won't alage no one Imo. In fact, I won't Israel from Imo Corporation. But Imo Corporation, they allocate land to you. Go and find out the status of that land. That man no longer. Go and find out the status of the land Imo Housing Corporation may allocate to you. That man no nga we buru ola. Ị ga-anọkwa nga asị a government mere ga allocate ala. Government aga anapụga ala. Ọ na-emekwe now. It is happening now. That is what is happening now in Imo Housing Corporation. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere such case, oya, DM me immediately. You have such case, DM me immediately. Because we have a lot of cases against that man, not there, as Onyishinde Imo Housing Corporation. And we are asking that man to release that woman and reinstate her and the other man have an arrest. Because they are the ones. Wunde no longer hagebia. Hana gwaga oga, ihe a wote shemie. Oga, ihe a wote shemie. Give Buragu Ibu from head of service. Buri Imo Housing Corporation. Ikona hagu. Don't you get tired? As old as you are, you don't get tired. Let me know. Am I not the politician? Let the civil servant do. Am I not the politicians? But let civil servant. I was not only who goes to gas school at all. But when he goes, she was a civil servant. Not just what about politics direct. Am I not got the worst? Am I not got the worst? From one controversy to another. I don't know controversy. The controversy danger. Bad controversy. Now, the foundation is now in this case. And of course, we are going to escalate it to a level you may not like. Go and release that woman and that man and reinstate them. They are staff. You don't have any right to sack them or any right to suspend them. I will give you a hand on. And Imo lights should be aware. Obrona Imo Housing Corporation nke Udenwa, nke Hakim, nke Ihebioha, nke Rochas, maọbụ nke ugbu a mere allocate land to you. Gakwa now, nda nwere ike change elehi yawo. Nda nwere ike elelehi yawo. Ihe this man bịakwara eme dia business, and the governor should be aware of this. Ihe ọ kpọtara onye business there. Ihe o ji ala retirement. Although no ala retirement. He want to go for retirement. Why hot him now? Go bruko ko jala retirement. Obro na izuro na Imo Housing Corporation may allocate land to you. Go and check the status of that land. Go there now. You will kick and na arụ ụlọ and owo geru. You don't na agbali affairs owo gebara. I am telling you now. Make sure you go there and find out the status of the land as government in merega allocate through Imo Housing Corporation. Ihe na-emekwe na that corporation now. Ihe megekwa dia. Awuru na mama ha na amasi na mama ha. But I have had cases. This latest one. All the Korele governor got through this man. Orele the governor got through this man. Not just support that man and I cause a problem. Imo Housing Corporation. Onye wule enyere that agency. Ye were na rubbish. Ye were na rubbish. Na huti Imo Housing Corporation as oil company un. Ara chawaku na anya. Something that belongs to Ndimo. You should get pocket here. Ale enyere ndị mmadụ. You come and reallocate it. Kiji wuru onye. Ka ị na-agabiri n'obi ka ji n'aka.